In today's video, basically I'm going to teach you how to prepare African eggplant, that is guli. That is how I call it in my language, or that is how we call it in our local language, which is Kakwa. So the Kakwa people call it guli, and in your language, how do you call it? First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to clean our African eggplant. After cleaning, obviously, here you've seen that I've already cleaned it. Now here, these things already have no use. We're going to pour it out, obviously. So after I'm done cleaning it, the next thing I'm going to do is to wash it. That is because I don't want to cook something that is not clean. So I have to wash it very well. Make sure that it is clean before transferring it to your saucepan to cook. So when you're done washing, and then the next thing you're going to do, and then you'll put it on fire. So if it's your first time watching my video, or it's your first time in this channel, you're most welcome. This is me, Vicky. So I will appreciate when you watch this video up to the end, so that you find how we prepare this African eggplant in my tribe, or in my cultural way. So when you're done washing it, the next thing you're going to do is to add your salt. You add a little amount of salt that obviously that can be enough for your food, because you don't want to put too much salt in your food. So when you've added your salt, which it's more than enough, the next thing you're going to do is to add your local salt. The local salt I'm meaning here, it's in my language we call it combo. So I don't know how you call it in your language, or how you refer it to your language, in your language here. So now that I've put my eggplant on fire, now you can mean to leave it like for 15 to 20 minutes to boil. When it's boiled, when it's ready, the next thing you're going to do is to paste it. So here you can see that you can mean to eat this eggplant after just boiling like that. You can eat it, or you can mean to eat it even when it's raw. Some people prefer roasting it. Some people prefer cooking it and pasting it. Some people prefer just boiling it with oil, with salt after that day. So either way, it's still okay. So it's up to you how you want to eat it, or how you want to prepare it. Now, as I've said, you can mean to even prepare it with greens. You can mean to prepare with beans, whereby you first have to fry the beans and then you clean it, and then from there you can cook with it. So now here, after me cleaning it, after me boiling it, obviously what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it. You can add the amount of paste that you prefer, that it's going to be enough for your sauce. Now when you put this paste, what you're going to do is to cook that paste until it's ready. So I will appreciate when you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that any vital information that is dropped here, you won't miss out. So now here I'm preparing my trying to cook my paste, preparing it, mixing the paste in the with the water. So earlier you've seen me pouring my African eggplants in a separate saucepan. That is because it is overcooked now. At this moment I don't want it to be to get smashed all in the saucepan, like when I'm trying to put my paste. Since I want it to be the way it is, that's why I'm pouring it out in another saucepan, in a separate saucepan, so that I'll cook my paste so well that at the end of the day everyone is going to enjoy it. Because if it is all smashed, people are not going to enjoy it. So now when you put your paste, you cook it. For us in Kakwa, people like it when you're cooking and then your paste oil comes out from from your paste that you've been making. People prefer, or people like it that way. Try as much as possible at least to make that some amount of what oil comes out from your paste. So mostly so that people will say, yeah, at least today they are eating that cultural food, and they will be saying, wow, today this is the best thing they've eaten. So when your paste is ready, the next thing you're going to do is to add your what? Your African eggplant. Like you can see here, the oil is already coming out. You're going to add your what? When the paste is ready, you're going to add your African eggplant into that paste that you've already cooked. Now when you've poured it, the eggplants in your paste, you're going to mix it very well, that the paste and the eggplants will be properly mixed so that it will be very nice. So at this point, when you've mixed your eggplants and then with your paste, our food is ready. Welcome and enjoy.